Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amara. I'm the owner of Snuggling the Designs. And if you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much. I appreciate every one of you on this channel. And recently we just hit 10,000 subscribers. Oh my god. I am so appreciative of every one of you, every like, every view, every share, every subscription, everything. I appreciate every one of you. You guys don't know what that means to me. Like, my husband said he's going to put me on a billboard for hitting 10,000 subscribers. So I'm still waiting for that. But I couldn't have gotten here without every one of you. So from the bottom of my heart, I say thank you. And let's continue to build this community. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. Here it's all about chunking it blankets, occasionally stuffed animals, but not so much, but mostly blankets. All right, let's get into today's video. This is my yarn storage place. Yeah, this is our basement. So I took part of it, actually both sides. There are two sides, like there is a space in front of me and there this side. And I took this space to be my yarn storage area. Initially, it was a bit organized, but the chaos happening here, I don't know what happened. I really don't know what happened. But we are going to try to fix that today because of recent, I noticed that I've been buying colors that I have in stock, and that is not good for business. Like, I have them here and I still go to the store to buy them, like when I get an order. That's because everything is just heaped up here. I don't know what colors I have or what colors I don't have. So I got some organizers from Amazon, which I'm going to set up and then use it to organize this space. I'm going to show you guys around. I have my yarn all over the place, and that needs to stop. That needs to stop. I'm telling myself that, and I'm holding myself accountable. Hopefully you guys will hold me accountable too. But let me move a bit. So this is what this side looks like. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the other parts. So those are two Target bookshelves that I got. I assembled it when I was just starting out, and I was able to organize the yarns there. But as you can see, it's all over there. These boxes, they have yarn in them. Then we got this one here. We have probably more of leftovers in this carton right here. This is the other side of the basement, and yeah, all those cartons you see there, I'm sure they all have one or two colors of yarn in them, which needs to be organized so we can easily see what we have and what we don't have. And I initially started out with this small storage place here. As you can see, we have yarns there. Then these bags, these two bags are, what is it called? Like scraps. Yeah, we have two bags, and I'm sure we have more if I put everything together, but these two bags are scraps. And this is the room, like this was the small room that we started out in. I got these organizers from Amazon to help me fix this mess. But first I have to assemble the organizers, position it before I get into this one. So I think I'm going to do it one at a time so I know how it looks. So let's move this one out of the way. This box is very heavy. Okay, let's see. Side up. Get this side up. Okay. Hopefully it doesn't take so much time to set up, but I love putting things together. If there is one thing about me, I love putting things together. These two, I put them together myself. The ones that I have in my wardrobe, I did them in my closet. I did them myself. So I love putting things together. I think this will be easy. Fingers crossed. Okay. All right. All right. It has an instruction manual, which is great. actually saw another crafter use this to set up her yarn, and I was like, wow, that looks cool. Where did you get it from? And she sent me the link to it. So I'll be putting the link also in the description box below in case you want to organize your yarn storage or have your yarn more organized. This, I believe, is going to be a very, 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 very good way to store them. So I'm going to put this together real quick and show you what it looks like. Okay, guys, so I just finished setting up the first organizer, and this is what it looks like. Really, really good. I like how it is. I believe this comes in different colors, white, black. I don't know if there's another color, but I know there is white and black. So I'm going to clear the mess. It took me literally about 30 minutes to set this up, or even less than that. But because this is the first one, so I had to keep checking the manual, which was pretty straightforward. I'm going to be setting up the second one before I start organizing the yarn, but I think I'll be putting it on this side, the two of them side by side each other, so I can get rid of this pile here. Yeah, that's where it's going to be. But so far, this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to set up the second one and then start organizing the yarn. Okay, keep watching. We're almost there. Okay, so I'm done setting up the two shelves. It took me about an hour-ish, yeah, maybe an hour to put both of them together. And I'm really liking what the space here looks like. Yeah. So now the other fun part of the project, which is putting the yarns back in here color by color, so I can easily see the colors that I have, and I'll also be organizing this one too. So lots of work to do here right now. So let's see how much we can get done today. I may not be able to finish organizing all these yarns today. If I don't finish it today, tomorrow is another day. We can do it tomorrow. All right, stay tuned. And just like that, it's all done. Like this one is now looking empty, but that's all right. But look at that. I really like how this first organizer came out. Maybe I'll redo this one later, but right now this girl is tired because I had to set up these organizers and then rearrange the yarn. Yeah, but I really like how this one came out. Now I can easily see which colors that I have. Like if I get an order for a blanket, I can easily see which colors I have, which one I need to get, instead of having the colors and having to go buy them again. Like I made a blanket recently with a gray color, and these are gray skeins. I had to go buy a new one because I didn't remember that I had them. But now I can easily come down, take a look. Okay, this is the color that I need. Grab the colors that I need, and it's looking more organized. My husband likes it. Like it's looking more organized. This one has lots of yarn in them, but these are vacuum sealed, so I didn't bother like airing them, so I just kept them like that because they are still really tight. And with it being in this state, it saves more space. I really like that, though some shelves look empty than the others. But overall, what do you think? I really like it. Maybe I'll put a chair here and a table here, and this will now be my official office. I don't know yet, but I like it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you know when next I upload a video. Let me know, what do you think? Do you like the new yarn section or do you prefer the old and messy one? Bye.